Article 39. Value of supply in case of discount or subsidies. Article 39 of the UAE VAT law addresses how to calculate the value of supply in situations where a discount is granted to the customer. A subsidy is provided by the government to the supplier for that supply. The article applies to both goods and services where such financial adjustments affect the price paid by the customer or the amount received by the supplier. This provision ensures that the taxable amount accurately reflects the actual consideration received after applying these discounts or subsidies. 1. Discounts impact on value of supply. A discount refers to any reduction in the price granted by the supplier to the customer. This could happen before the supply is made, example, a promotional discount offered at the time of sale. After the supply is made, example, a retrospective discount applied after the transaction, such as volume-based rebates or loyalty discounts. In either case, the value of the supply shall be reduced by the amount of the discount. This reduction directly affects the VAT calculation, since VAT is applied on the reduced value, not the original price. 2. Subsidies impact on value of supply. A subsidy is a financial contribution provided by the state, government, to the supplier to support or encourage certain supplies. When such subsidies are directly linked to the supply, they affect the value of supply in the following way. The value of the supply is reduced by the value of the subsidy provided by the state. This ensures VAT is only charged on the net amount actually borne by the customer, rather than the gross amount including the subsidy. 3. Timing of discounts or subsidies. The rule applies whether the discount or subsidy is agreed and applied upfront, at the time of supply, provided after the supply, as part of a post-sale agreement or financial incentive. In either scenario, the value of supply must reflect the actual amount paid by the customer after the discount subsidy. 4. Effect on VAT calculation. VAT is always calculated on the reduced value after deducting the discount or subsidy. Example for a discount. Original price, AED 1000. Discount granted, AED 100. Value of supply, for VAT purposes AED 900. VAT, 5% AED 45. Example for a subsidy. Original price, AED 1000. State subsidy provided, AED 200. Value of supply, for VAT purposes AED 800. VAT, 5% AED 40. 5. Conditions and controls specified in Executive Regulation. The Executive Regulation of the Decree Law provides the detailed rules, conditions, and controls for how discounts and subsidies should be documented, when and how adjustments to the taxable amount should be made, requirements for keeping records and evidence to prove eligibility for discounts or subsidies. The supplier is responsible for ensuring accurate and complete documentation to justify the reduced value of supply. 6. Compliance requirements for businesses. Businesses must apply the correct VAT treatment when discounts or subsidies are involved. Maintain proper documentation and invoices, including terms of the discount or subsidy, evidence of payment adjustments, communication with customers or government entities. Update their accounting and tax systems to correctly calculate VAT on reduced values. Any incorrect calculation due to ignoring discounts or subsidies could result in penalties or fines imposed by the Federal Tax Authority, FTA. For more details, contact us.